What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of y with respect to x. I have different examples. The first one is going to be y equals to 6x minus 5 to the power of 4. Whenever we have u to the power of n and if we want to find out the derivative, that's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So in this case it's going to be y prime is going to be 4 times 6x minus 5 to the power of 3 times derivative of 6x minus 5, which is going to be 6. So it's going to be 24 times 6x minus 5 to the power of 3. Next one is going to be y equals to cube root of 4x plus 3, which you can write it as 4x plus 3 to the power of 1 over 3. So y prime is going to be 1 over 3 times 4x plus 3 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1 times derivative of 4x plus 3, which is going to be 4. So it's going to be 1 over 3 times 4x plus 3 to the power of negative 2 over 3 times 4. So it's 4 over 3 times 4x plus 3 to the power of negative 2 over 3. You can also write it in this form, 4 over 3 cube root of 4x plus 3 squared. Next example. We have y equals to 1 over 3x plus 5. We need to use quotient rule, which is going to be u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. Derivative of 1 is going to be 0 times 3x plus 5 is going to be 0. Minus 1 times derivative of 3x plus 5, which is going to be 3 divided by 3x plus 5 to the power of 2. So it's going to be negative 3 divided by 3x plus 5 to the power of 2. Next example, y equals to 2 over square root of x squared plus 10. So it's going to be u over v, u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So that derivative of 2 is 0 times this one is going to be 0 minus 2 times derivative of x squared plus 10 to the power of 1 over 2. Derivative will be 1 over 2 times 2x times x squared plus 10 to the power of negative 1 over 2. So that's going to be 1 over 2 times 2x times 1 over square root of x squared plus 10 divided by square root of x squared plus 10 to the power of 2, which 2 and square root cancels out. It's going to be x squared plus 10. 2 and 1 over 2 cancels out, and we're going to have negative 2x over root x squared plus 10 divided by x squared plus 10. That's going to be negative 2x over x squared plus 10 times square root of x squared plus 10, which is going to be negative 2x over x squared plus 10 to the power of 3 over 2. Next example is y equals to cosecant to the power of 3x. We need to find out y prime. We know derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x times cotan x. So cosecant to the power of nx is going to be n times cosecant to the power of n minus 1x times negative cosecant x times cotan x. So it's going to be negative n times cosecant to the power of n x times cotan x. So we do the same thing here. N is 3 in this case. So it's going to be negative 3 times cosecant squared, cosecant to the power of 3 x times cotan x. Because n minus 1 times 1 is going to be n. So that's going to be the final answer. Next one we have y equals to sine of 5x over 2. So, you know, sine x, derivative of sine x is going to be cosine x. And derivative of sine u, when u is a function of x, is going to be u prime times cosine u. So that's going to be 5 over 2 times cosine 5x over 2. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.